Hi guys, today I am making something very quick and easy. It is a fried dough called pop-off in Nigeria. Pop-off is a very popular addictive snack all over the streets of Nigeria and countries in West Africa. It is indeed a delicious addictive snack that when you perceive the aroma, you cannot do but stop to buy. So, let's start preparing this delicious, addictive snack called pop-off. Very easy to prepare, like I said. So, in this method, I am combining all the dried ingredients together, making it straight away. So, I'll start by sieving the plain flour, which is what I'm using, and I'll add the nutmeg and sea salt. You can use any salt of your choice. And I will be adding the dried yeast and cayenne powder or dry powder. You can use chili powder. You can use any of your choice, and caster sugar. So the ingredient are direct, and I'll set all together to combine. And the liquid that I'll be using is lukewarm water. So I'll be adding this lukewarm water bit by bit. So I have this bit by bit so as to continue combining. And in this method that I'm using, I like to add a bit of vanilla extract, which is just 1 teaspoon, because I don't want the vanilla taste to overpower my butter. Once this is properly mixed together, you cover this up and put it in a warm place for over 2 to 3 hours. If you want it softer and to rise more, you can leave it up to 5 hours, depending on the method that you're using. So at this time, I'll be heating my oil, and the oil is hot. And there's a trick that I would like you to know before you start frying. Just drop a little bit of the butter so to ensure the oil is hot, because if it's not very hot, your butter could end up sticking at the bottom. So that is all about pop-off. It's so straightforward. Once it's doubled, once that butter is doubled, you keep frying, and once one side is golden brown, you turn over to the other side to fry equally. And once the other side is golden brown, your pop-off is ready, and you take it out. And once that pop-off is ready, it's always good to enjoy it when it's warm. You can enjoy your pop-off with any chilled drink, and you can sprinkle some sugar sweetener, icing sugar, melted chocolate, and strawberry jam. Enjoy your pop-off any way you like it. Pop-off is always so delicious. The taste, the aroma, that is why it is so addictive. So if you have enjoyed frying this delicious addictive dough with me, hit that subscribe button and click the like button to keep supporting my channel. Until next time, I love you. Goodbye.